What if I told you you can make bread out of ice cream? That's right, dessert bread with 2 ingredients and a smoker. 2 ingredients, 1 loaf pan, infinite possibilities. I'm going to baptize this delicious. Smut! Today we are testing the laws of food and faith. 2 ingredients, no kneading and no proofing. Just melted ice cream and self-raising flour. Let us prepare the loaf of legends. But first, we're going to leave your ice cream out for an hour. It must melt naturally, like your patience when dealing with a teenager. Then we'll mix. Grab a bowl, dump in 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of your fully melted, full-fat ice cream. This isn't the time to start going all diet and getting something that's low fat. It just doesn't work as well. Give it a good stir until it becomes a thick, gloopy batter. And then once it looks like edible glue, you're on track. Technically, ice cream contains everything you already need: fat, sugar, and liquid. When mixed with self-raising flour, the leveling agents react in the baking process. This is kitchen chemistry at its laziest and tastiest. It's time to fire up the ZGrills Pellet smoker. Now we just want to set it to 175 degrees Celsius because that is the perfect baking temp. Now we're going to lightly grease a loaf tin. I just like using a little bit of unsalted butter on some paper towel, and we're just going to smear that throughout the entire inside of this pan. And then get the mixture into the pan and then just smooth it out so it looks semi-respectable. See? Once the smoke is at temp and it's had time to warm up for about 10 minutes, gently place it in the smoker. I'm going to use the top tray for this cook. Put the lid back down and let the pellet smoker wizardry begin. This bake is going to take around 35 to 40 minutes. And for those of you that follow me, you know what that means. This is going to be a 2-beer cook. At 75 degrees Celsius, self-raising flour activates steam expansion and carbon dioxide release. Translation, it puffs up like a beach ball at a music festival. Ice cream bread is basically a sugar-powered science experiment. Halfway through and it will start to rise and your backyard is going to smell like a bakery run by Willy Wonka. Let it go the full 40 minutes. You want that golden crust and that soft inside. After 40 minutes, we want to get it out of the smoker and you just want to poke it with a skewer. And if that comes back out all clean, we're good to go. Then onto a cooling rack to chill the fuck out. After it has cooled slightly, we can slice it up, but not before we check the crust with a knife. I know it's not crackle. Oh, that smells amazing. Perfectly cooked. Now, the crumbs should be soft, cake-like, and slightly sweet. Serve it with butter, jam, or, you guessed it, more ice cream. It's bread. It's dessert. It's dessert bread smoked on a barbecue. We are living in the golden age of snacks. If this just blew your mind, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this recipe with your mates who still think baking is too hard. The heat denatures proteins and caramelizes sugars and traps air pockets in a starchy web, also known as baking, but way cooler when done in a smoker. Today, we've proven all you need is melted ice cream and a smoker.